are debunking again today with my favorite topic, braces. Now, there are many different types of braces. You've got fixed braces, which go on the outside of the teeth or the inside of the teeth, and you have removable braces. There are so many different types of removable braces, but for the purposes of today, I'm going to focus on Invisalign. Now, Invisalign are clear aligners. Lots of dentists can use different types of clear aligners, but these aren't all Invisalign. So check the brand that's being given to you and ensure that you're happy with it. Now, with Invisalign, when you come to see the dentist, they will take scans and photos of your teeth or even molds, do a full examination and assessment of your teeth, smile and face to ensure that you're suitable for Invisalign. Once that's done, they can show you a simulation of how the teeth can move. If we send off all the records, we can produce a ClinCheck. A ClinCheck shows you exactly the stages of the teeth movements, where your bumps need to be, i.e. the attachments that are tooth coloured and stuck on the teeth to help grip onto the trays and move the teeth in the right direction. We also may need to do some filing between the teeth. You will not walk around with massive gaps between your teeth. The filing ensures that there's enough space for the teeth to move and that the teeth can be corrected into the right position. Now, you need to wear the trays 22 hours a day, not just when you're sleeping, because your teeth need the constant pressure in order to move correctly. You take them out to eat and drink, but water should be absolutely fine. Of course, if you're in a situation where you feel totally uncomfortable wearing them, which you shouldn't because they're super discreet, you can take them out. A mild lisp is normal, but it will settle down the more that you wear it. Having a dentist is so important part of the procedure. No, we do not just take the scans of the mold and let the computer decide. A good dentist will provide a treatment plan that's tailored for you. They'll look at all of the tooth movements, ensure that the tooth movements are safe, predictable, and will give you the results that you want. Of course, sometimes things don't go according to plan and you may need refinements. Refinements are extra trays that are made at the end of the treatment if we need to do some more movements, and it's a totally normal part of the process. No matter what kind of brace you get done, you will need retainers at the end. The best type of retainers are fixed retainers that go behind the teeth and removable retainers that you wear at night. Having both of those ensures that your teeth stay in the same place. For more information, my details are as shown on the next slide, and follow me for more top tips. Have a great day, guys.